how to enable or disable flat rate on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable flat rate. First open your browser and then once you're here, all you need to do is just click settings and now click shipping. And then just click this one. First, if you can't find here anything, just click add and add any country you want, and that's it. Then just click maybe you'll find here configure, just click on it, and as you see here you can manage shipping. Now just select anything you want here, and here we'll find flat rate. Just turn it on and manage here anything you want, and then click submit, and that's it. As you see, flat rate have been turned on. Now just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.